Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync audio with video in CapCut PC step by step. Syncing your audio and video helps keep your voice, music, or sound effects perfectly matched with your video. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import your video and audio files. Drag the video onto the timeline. Next, drag the audio file to the audio track below the video. Click on the audio clip to select it. Then, drag the audio clip left or right until it matches the video. Play the video to check if the audio and video are synchronized. If needed, continue adjusting the audio until everything matches perfectly. You can zoom in on the timeline for more accurate editing. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings, then click Export again to save your video. And that's it. You've successfully synced audio with video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.